In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these likely A-level maths questions on integration or integral calculus, and we have about 8 to 10 questions to practice with this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, evaluate this definite integral function. We have the upper limit to be z and lower limit to be 0, where we have the z to be pi over 4. So the function here, you have sin x minus cos x in bracket dx. Okay, now guys, this question is definite integral, but don't worry, we are still going to meet indefinite integral question in the course of this video, that you will learn both how to solve any of them with the calculator. So as usual, the first thing to do will be to use the calculator to put it in default mode to receive press shift button 9 for the instructions, press 3, press equal to, and press equal to again. So next thing now will be to put the calculator in radian mode. Very important, when solving calculus, let's ensure that it's in radian, not degree. By default it used to be in degree. As you can see, capital letter D stands for degree. To put it in radian, press shift this mode button. Radian is option 4. So that's it. Now let's solve this definite integral question. Definite integrals are usually straightforward, so press this definite integral sign button once. So the upper limit, we have it to be z is pi over 4. Make use of this fraction button to bring up pi, press shift and this button over 4. So the lower limit is what? Is 0. So come to this center box, adjust it to the guest here. Okay, so it's not there. We have open brackets, we have sin x. After this, x will come out, close the bracket before we put this negative sign. Then we have cos x. Yeah, close the bracket. One more thing, ensure the brackets are balanced. If the brackets are not balanced, we have syntax error. So let's check. So how many brackets are the left? We have 1, 2 and 3. How many are the right? We have 1 and 2. So to balance it, put extra 1. It's not balanced. Let's press equal to see the output. We have it to be minus 0.414. So right now, let's simplify the options. Never like gives us minus 0.414 will be the answer. So let's begin with option A. So we have 1 minus square root of 2. Let's press equal to. So we have it to be this. To put it in decimal, press SD button. So we have it to be minus 0.414. So right answer is option A. Okay, so it's as simple as this. Let's wipe this and solve the next repeated question, which is this one. So it says evaluate this. Okay, so let's use the calculator and solve this. Okay, so we are still working with the setting on the calculator. So this is still definite integral. It's out of and lower limit. So we press sign button. We have the upper limit, this time around is 2. The lower limit is 1. Okay, so come to this center box, open bracket, we have alpha x square minus 4x. So that's it. Close the bracket, we are good to go. Let's press equal to see the output. We have it to be minus 11 over 3. So it's very straightforward. The answer is option D, minus 11 over 3. Okay, very interesting. Let's solve the next repeated question, which is this one. Still definite integrals. Let's make a calculator and solve. So we are still working with setting the calculator. Press this button. The upper limit this time around is 1. The lower limit is negative 2. Okay, so come to this center box and put open bracket. We have x alpha x minus 1. Close the bracket. Put square. So that's what we have there. Press equal to see the output. We have it to be 9, option A. So it's as simple as this. Let's solve the next repeated question, which is this one. So it says evaluate. The upper limit is pi over 2, lower limit is 0. We have sin 2x dx. Okay, so let's bring the calculator and solve. So this is going to be, bring out this is the definition integral. So we have the upper limit to be in fractions. So we have pi over 2. Okay, we have the lower limit is 0. Come here and put the function. We have sin 2x. Okay, close the brackets. Yeah, so let's press equal to and see the output is going to give us we have it to be 1. Option C, the right answer. It's as simple as this. So let's solve the next repeated question. Okay, so it says determine the value of this. This is definite integral. Now why guys, we are going to meet indefinite integral in the course of this video. I think that should be the next two questions we're going to practice with. Don't worry, we're going to meet it. So let's solve this one. Let's bring the calculator. So it says the upper limit is in fraction, that's pi over 2. The lower limit is 0. Yeah, then come here and put a fraction minus 2 cos x, close the brackets. So you have to balance the bracket, guys. So you have to balance the bracket here, guys. To balance it, we have 2 brackets at the left, 1 at the right. So we add extra 1 here. It's very important, guys, so that not have syntax error. So let's press equal to now. The output is -2, option B, the right answer. Okay, so let's solve the next repeated question. Which this one, it says integrate this function. So this is still definite. Let's bring the calculator. So for this question, it's going to be make use of this function, this sign. The upper limit is 2, the lower limit is -1. Then come to this place and put the function we have in bracket 2x after x square. Okay, we have plus x alpha and this button, close the bracket. So that's it. Let's press equal to the output. We have it to be 15 over 2. So 15 over 2 is equivalent to 7 number 1 over 2. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1, 15. So the right answer is option D. Okay guys, so the next repeated question will be this one. It says this is saying definite integral. So we have evaluate this. So we're going to make definite integral until that should be the next question. Let's check. Yeah, this is the next question. Definite integral. But this one now is definite. Okay, the next one is indefinite. So let's make a calculator and solve this. Okay, so as usual, we are still working with the seats in the calculator. Okay, so the upper limit, let's put the definite integral sign. So the upper limit here is 3, the lower limit is 2. Okay, come here and put the function. So we have in brackets x square minus 2x alpha and this, put the brackets. So that's what we have there. Let's put equal to. We have it to be 4 over 3, option A, the right answer. So finally, let's solve indefinite integral question, which is this one. So it says evaluate this. Okay, now let me calculate it before I explain something. Alright, so guys, this question now is indefinite integral. It's just like the opposite of differentiation. Okay, the idea here is that they're going to store a value, of which I highly recommend to practice or solve problems under indefinite integrals. You can choose to work with other values, but I highly recommend 2 because I worked with 2 for a long time and I've not found any error with it. So the calculator still has to be in radian, and let's just start 2, guys. So to start, you press the value 2, press shift, this I will say about to press x. So you show that x has been stored as 2. Okay, now we're going to use this 2 to simplify or evaluate the question, the indefinite integral, and then differentiate the options to get the answer. Take note, the 2 you stored, use it to simplify or evaluate the question. Then to get the answer, right click the option, we differentiate each of the options to get the answer. Okay, so let's practice so that you understand it better. So let's evaluate this indefinite integral function. We have in fraction, we have 1 minus x square, okay, minus x cube. So that's it over x square. Okay, so let's press equal to now to see what it's going to give us as output. We have it to be minus 19 over 4, which is the same thing as, let's press SD, minus 4.75. Alright, so minus 19 over 4 or minus 4.75. So right now we're going to differentiate the options. No one gives us minus 4.75 or minus 19 over 4 will be the answer to this question. Okay, very important. So let's begin with option A. Let's differentiate option A. Press shift and this button. So we have in fraction, okay, minus in fraction 1 over x, okay, then we have minus x, then we have minus in fraction again s cubed, okay, over 3. So the bracket is balanced. Go here and put the 2 is stored. Let's press equal to and see what's going to give us. Minus 4.75 exactly. The answer is option A. Okay, so remember we got minus 19 over 4 or minus 4.75. So this is the answer, option A. This is how you can deal with problems involving indefinite integrals. Alright, why on the calculator. So last, let's solve the last question, which is also an indefinite integral question before I end this video, so that you can master this. Okay, so let's remove this. The next question is this one. It says evaluate sine 2x. Okay, so this is the indefinite integral. Let's make a calculator and solve this. So for this question, the calculator is in radian and we have already stored 2. So let's simplify the function with the 2 is stored. So we have sine 2x, that's the press equal to, we have it in minus 0.75. so right now we're going to differentiate the options. Now that gives us minus 0.75 will be the answer to this question. Okay, minus 0.75. so let's differentiate. We have shift this sign, so we have, remember we got minus 0.75 right here, so we have minus, and we use this fraction button, so we have 1 over 2, okay, then we have cos 2x, so that's it. Ensure the bracket are balanced. We have 2 at the left and 1 on the right. You bring down another one, so it's now balanced, 2 at the right and 2 at the left. Now this k is just a constant that is always attached to the indefinite integral answer. Some used to use c as the constant, some used to use k, like here they're using k. Okay, so it's just a constant. You don't need to add the constant in the calculator. So you come here and put the 2 is stored. So it's as simple as this, guys. Remember, I got minus 0.75. So let's put equal to exactly minus 0.75. So the right answer is option A. Very, very easy. Okay, so guys, this is basically how you can do problems involving indefinite integral, both definite integral and indefinite integral, for your likely A-level maths questions or any other external exam maths questions or calculus questions you'll be answering. So we dealt with about 8 to 10 repeated likely questions on integral calculus. I hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, so I'll be getting premium information to help you to excel your external exams like your A-level maths and other external exams you're writing. Okay, so one more thing, guys, in case in the question you see trig identities like cosec, sec or cot, so the only thing you need to know there is that cosec is something as 1 over sine, okay, sec is something as 1 over cos, and cot is the same thing as 1 over tan. Alright, just replace these trig identities with these equivalents in the question and you'll be good to go. Okay, so don't forget to reset. Once you are done, just press shift button 9, press 3, press report 2, report again. So you are good to go. Now click on the next and prove, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.